Hi everyone. Now in this section we will discuss review of number systems and codes. Basically we have so many number of number systems. We will discuss here four types. And first one, binary number system, octal number system, and then decimal number system and hexadecimal number system. Okay, binary means only two zeros and ones. Here we have 0 to 1 and octal number 0 to 7. In the decimal number system we have, in this octal we have 8 digits, in that 10, in 16 hexadecimal we have 0 to 15. This 15 we will see future. Now we will see how to convert binary number system to decimal by using 8421 code. We will convert binary numbers into decimal number systems. 8421 here decimal. Okay, this here we see binary and decimal 0 we will represent 0000. Why? Because we appear 1 2 4 8. There is no 0 in this 8421 code, and decimal 1 we will represent, here we appear 1, so 1 8420. Next decimal 2 we will represent 00, here 2 will appear, so 1 0. And 3, here 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, so 0 0 1 1. And decimal 4 we will represent, here we appear 4, so 0 1 0 0. In the same way we will see up to 15, and binary of 10 11 12 13 14 15 we will represent in A B C D E F. And now here we will see how to convert one radix to another radix. First we will consider binary number system. Binary number system we have 0 to 1. Okay, let us see one example. 1 0 1 1 0 base 2. To convert into octal we will see, it means base 8. It separate base 2 elements by 3 digits. Why we are considering only 3 digit means octal, it means appears in 2 powers, 2 cube. Here 3 we appear, so we can divide into 3 digits. Here we have one example. Okay, from right to left we will divide 3 digits and 2 here, so we keep 0. 110 means 6. In the binary we will 110 means 6. In 010 means 2. So 2 6 base 8. This is conversion of octal. Next, binary to decimal. Okay, now we will see the same example, or else we take another also. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4. So, and 2 power 4 into 1, here we have 1 here, plus 2 power 2 into 1 plus here 2 power 1. 2 power 1 means 2 plus 4 plus 2 power 4 16. 20 plus 22 base 10. Like this we convert into decimal. While converting into decimals we take powers, and binary to hexadecimal. Okay, here we have hexadecimal means base 16. Now we will divide into 4 digits. 2 power 4, 16. So we will divide 4 digits from right to left. Here we don't know any digits, so we keep zeros. And 1 0 1 1 means 8 2 1. 11. 11 means B in binary. B. And here 1. 1 B base 16. And now we will see how to convert octal to another radix. This is octal number system, and in octal number system we have 0 to 7 numbers or digits. Okay, let me convert into octal to binary. Let us take one example, base 8 to. Okay, now we will convert into binary, means here we appear 8. 2 cube means 8. So we will take this numbers as binary by 3 digits, means 0 0 1 0 0 0 and 0 1 0 base 2. In the same way, octal to decimal. Let us take one example to base 10. While taking to base 10, we will take powers of this base. 8 power 0, 8 power 1, 8 square. Now we will multiply with this and 64. 8 square means 64 plus 8 4 is 32 plus 5. This we will have base 10. And octal to hexadecimal means base 8 to base 16. Then we have 0 to 16 with hexadecimal. And example is, okay, here we divide 4 digits. 2 power 4 means 16. In hexadecimal we have 16. So we divide 4. 0 0 0 1 in binary. 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 0. This is base 2. And now we will convert it into base 8. 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 base 2. We will divide it into 4 4. So we have 0 7 to base 16. Here 7 means 4 3 7. So 7 will appear. Next we will see decimal number system. In decimal number system we will appear base 10 values from 0 to 9. While converting decimal to binary, okay, let us take one example, base 10 to binary. Binary means we will represent in zeros and ones only. Okay, 1 0 0. We will divide 589 with base 2. We have here we appear one carry, so we take it out and then divide it by 2. While dividing by 2, we will appear here 1 and 0. And now 2 nines, we have 0 and 4. 2 4 8, we will have one carry. 2 twos 0 and 2 ones. At last we have 0 only. So from this we take this like values 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 base 2. Okay, in the same way, bind decimal to octal. We will take example as this. We will divide 584 with this base 8. Okay, we have 8 nines. We will appear one carry. 8 ones. Here we appear 1. In this direction we take the values of this 1110 base 8. This is the octal, and then decimal to hexadecimal. Let us take one example. 584 base 10 to 16. Okay, 584. We will divide with this base 16. We have 16 twos and carry 4. And now we will take like this 248 base 16. And at last we have, okay, at last we will see hexadecimal number system. We have up to 0 to 15 values, and in hexadecimal 16 base 16 values, and hexadecimal to binary. Let us take one example. As you all know, A, C, D, F, we will represent A as 10 in binary, C as 12, D as 13, F as 15. So here we will convert it into binary 1110, 1100, 1101, 1111 base 2, and hexadecimal to octal. Okay, let us take here 2 power 4 appear, here we appear 2 power 3. So for 4 digits we can divide this number 1010, 1011, 1100 base 2. This is binary. We will now convert it into octal number system. We will divide 3 digits from right to left. Here we have here 5, 2, this is 7 and 4. 5, 2, 7, 4 base 8. And at last hexadecimal to decimal. Let us take one example. Base 16 to base 10. While converting into base 10, we will take powers of this. And 10 power 0, 10 power 1, 10 square. So we have here we appear 2748 as base 10 value. Okay, let me see binary, octal, decimal, hexadecimal. Now we have different bases. Now let us see how to convert different bases to. Here we don't know base 3. So we convert into, first we convert into decimal form, and then we have to convert it into base 3. This is first step and second step. So first convert into decimal means we will take powers of this. So 8 power 0, 8 power 1, 8 square. So we have 8864 plus into 2 plus 32 into 6. We have 166 as base 10. Now we will convert base 10 value into base 3. 166 divided by 3. We have here we have on this carries. We will take like these values. 20011 is the base 3 value of 246 base 8. And thank you for watching this video.